This video is sponsored by Yeelight. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're having a look at 8 desk setup accessories that you hopefully haven't heard of. I picked items that I haven't seen elsewhere apart from my own videos and that I hope you'll find useful as well. So let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Alright, first item is this Anker MagSafe charger. Not only it is pretty affordable compared to similar products, but its features and overall quality are pretty solid. It comes in black or white, and both versions have a chrome pole to support the MagSafe charging pad. It has the benefit of acting as a stand while charging, which is pretty nice to easily see notifications or if you're watching a video. But the other main feature this charger has is a Qi charging pad in its base. Here, the surface is recessed a bit with a shape that better accommodates AirPods cases. So yeah, kind of a 2-in-1 charger where you can wirelessly charge your phone and AirPods at the same time. It comes with a USB-C cable, but you'll have to provide a charger of at least 18 watts. The only weak point with this accessory is that MagSafe charging is limited to 7.5 watts, so it won't charge as fast as other chargers. Next up is a product I've featured for a few years on the channel, and today I'm super happy that this company who makes it decided to sponsor this video, and that's the Yeelight Monitor Light Bar Pro. So as the name suggests, this is a lamp that attaches on top of monitors so that it can light up the whole work surface without taking additional space on the desk. This specific variant is the flagship edition and comes in this darker shade. This lamp has all the basic controls one would expect, such as light temperature control and brightness, and both of these controls can be easily input with the wireless puck controller that's included. It turns and clicks, which allows fine adjustments, as well as multiple controls with multi-click or press down inputs. I've tested many of these monitor lamps, and this one definitely has a very good light quality. The adjustments are very precise, enough that I've used it as complementary lighting in past videos of mine. The mount also ensures the lamp doesn't sit too close to the panel, which makes it compatible with both flat and curved monitors. It holds the lamp with only magnets, and given the design, it allows for angle adjustments to reduce glare with the monitor. All of that is already quite solid, but what makes this lamp even nicer is its RGB strip at the back for bias lighting, which Yeelight calls the mood light. In contrast with the downlight, which is limited to shades of white, this mood light offers 16 million different colors. Something that's actually pretty cool with this Pro variant is that you can use Razer Synapse to control the mood light so that it matches what's on screen, so you get this sort of continuity effect on the wall. Honestly, that's pretty cool. If you just want to control the lamp more in depth, it's possible to do so in the Mi Home app, as well as with most smart home assistants, including Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. Personally, I like to use the Google Assistant to set up a schedule to turn on and off the lamp, which is even more convenient than using the wireless puck controller. It's especially useful if your work hours are predictable. Another pretty cool smart light product from Yeelight is their Lightstrip Pro, which is a smart RGB light strip. Again, also supporting up to 16 million colors with addressable sections. It can be trimmed to size, like I did here for my desk. And it can also be extended up to 10 meters, depending on your needs. And here, addressable means that segments can show a different color, which is a highly desirable feature that I look for in a light strip. This light strip is also compatible with Razer Synapse for a very immersive effect if used in tandem with the monitor light bar. It supports the same smart home assistants as the monitor light bar, plus HomeKit on top. So if you're in the Apple ecosystem, that can be a pretty nice light strip for you. Again, all of that without the need of a hub, it connects directly to Wi-Fi. Next item on the list is this desk mat from Satechi. It's a leather-like material that they call eco leather that's actually quite convincing while keeping the mat vegan-friendly and relatively affordable. This is definitely not meant for gaming, but it can surely up the look of a desk setup with something that looks a bit more premium. I think for a work desk setup, this is a very good option. I also like that it's reversible with one side that's completely free of any branding for a very clean and minimal look. Alright, next up is this portable water heater from Xiaomi. So this is kind of like an insulated bottle and a kettle in one product. You heat up the water and then screw on the cap, and you can carry with you that hot water to use it later when you may not have access to wall sockets. The look and feel of this product is very nice, and although it doesn't feel like a desk setup accessory, I would say it can be one. Whenever you want to make tea at your desk setup, regular kettles would take more space and may make a mess, while this product is super compact and designed to be used on the go, not in a kitchen. The only downside with it is that it was designed for 220 volt current, so while it works here in North America with 120 volts, it does take a bit more time, like maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So I wouldn't use this for on the go, but at a desk, I guess it doesn't matter too much if it takes a bit more time. It also shipped with a Chinese plug, so an adapter or replacement cable is required. All in all, it's not perfect, but it's pretty cool, so I felt like including it here. Okay, next item on the list is this desk arm by Vijim. It is composed of a pole that clamps to a desk surface, and then a side arm that can be clamped to the main pole, and an extension pole with 2 ball heads for additional reach. The main pole can be extended with its 3 tube sections. This is very similar to Elgato's multi-mount system, but this one is considerably cheaper, and it uses actual ball heads you find on camera accessories, and they seem more solid than Elgato's. Here, I got my Rode VideoMic Go 2 set up with the side arm that's clamped on the main pole. This way, it is closer to my mouth and reduces the noise to signal ratio of my voice. Then my Logitech Litra glow lamp is mounted to the side using the extension pole. This way, it's not right in front of me and potentially blinding me, but can still light my face up during meetings. I also added another arm with a clamp for my webcam. This one is not included, but it kind of shows the flexibility of this product. Next up is the Rode VideoMic Go 2. So this is first an on-camera microphone. You would connect it to a camera using a 3.5mm cable, and then you get better audio than the built-in mic. However, this microphone also has a USB-C port, which is meant for digital audio capture, whether that's with a phone, tablet, or computer. So by using it this way and connecting it to my computer, it acts as a USB microphone. What's great about this one over other USB mic options out there is that it's a shotgun microphone with a super cardioid pickup pattern, meaning it will reject a lot of sounds that come from the sides, making it a great option for video calls, but also for streaming in general. Its only downside is that it picks up quite a bit of the vibrations coming from the desk, so I'll have to look into a better shock mount solution than the stock one. Another option is to use a low pass filter to cut some of that thump. This is a sound test using the Rode VideoMic Go 2. It is a dedicated microphone that connects over USB-C, and its pickup pattern makes it so that it rejects sounds from the sides. Alright, last item for today, the Logitech Litra Glow. This is a relatively new product from Logitech in their streaming line of products. It comes with a mount to install it on top of a monitor, but I decided to use the tripod mount under it and attach it on the Vijim Arm. This light is powered via a USB-C cable and has buttons at the back for direct controls. In other words, there's a power button and adjustment buttons for the intensity and color. This light isn't the most powerful, but it's pretty good for my usage, and I like that it's relatively compact. The light that's output is super well diffused and has a very high color rendering index, meaning that colors will be lifelike on camera. Finally, while the light has physical controls, it can also be controlled using Logitech's G-Hub software, which can be quite useful if the placement of the light makes the physical buttons hard to reach. Alright, that's it for today. Let me know down below what you think of this selection of desk accessories. Hopefully some of them caught your eye. As always, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like if you did, and see you in the next video.